In today's video, we're excited to give you an inside look at the meticulous art of invisible mending, a process where precision meets passion to restore your precious knitwear. Today we are working on a beautiful blue cashmere jumper, a piece that has unfortunately become a feast for moths, resulting in several holes. But not to worry, by the end of our process, this jumper will be transformed back to its perfect condition, looking as good as new. Invisible mending is a craft that demands not just skill, but also an eye for the color. The most critical steps in this process is selecting the right color yarn to ensure the repair blends seamlessly with the original fabric. With cashmere items from various brands, finding the exact shade can be challenging, leading to slight color variations in the final product. Our team of experts spends considerable time and effort to achieve the closest possible match, ensuring the mend is as invisible as can be. For those who seek perfection, if you happen to have the original yarn that came with your cashmere jumper, please send it to us along with your item. Using the original yarn allows us to guarantee a perfect color match, making the repair truly invisible. Our invisible mending process is a testament to our dedication to craftsmanship and sustainability. We invite you to be part of this impactful journey, contributing to a cycle of reuse that not only benefits your personal collection, but also aids in creating a more sustainable world. Let's cherish and preserve the beauty of our garments together.